So, hello everyone, welcome back to another video of scientific molecules. Today I'm going to do a video on which planet is the most necessary to the survival of Earth. Please make sure to like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below which part you need the next time. So with no more talking, let's get right into the video. As we know, Earth is third from the Sun in our solar system. Mercury and Venus is in the front of the Earth. Next is the Mars, and next is Jupiter, and there is a asteroid belt in between Jupiter and Mars, and it is Saturn, then Uranus, and then Neptune. So let's talk about how these planets help in the survival of Earth. And first of all, it is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. And the second planet is Venus, and it is the second planet from the Sun, and it is the hottest planet in our solar system. So the Mercury and the Venus have a same role in protecting the Earth. The Mercury and Venus actually helps us from not getting the direct rays of sun, and they actually absorb or they actually bounce back the rays from the sun. This avoids the direct rays which are hitting on our planet. Next is Mercury. Mercury actually helps us in keeping the asteroid belt in their way, and they are protecting those asteroids from reaching us, or they are keeping the asteroids in the path or the orbit they should be. Next is the civilizing of people in the Mars, and this could be happening anytime in the future as we are trying to civilize in the Mars. And if people civilize in the Mars, then the pollution rate happening in our Earth would be less, and the Earth could survive, and the Mars would help us to survive in that way too. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the most largest or most massive planet in our solar system. Jupiter has a very strong gravitational force. And the next is Saturn. Saturn and Jupiter are all known as gas giants as they are very huge and they are mostly made up of gas. They help us in keeping away the asteroid from hitting us. Since they have a very massive or very powerful gravitational force compared to the other planets in our solar system, they suck up or they attract these asteroids towards them, and these asteroids won't hit us. Then the Jupiter will help in keeping the asteroid belt in their orbit. Next is Uranus and Neptune. These actually are useless planets for the survival of the Earth as they are far away from our Earth. So these planets are not including in our list since they won't help us. But these planets actually help if we can reach them for the human beings as they have a lot of diamonds, and these people who in the planet would be very rich. So as the title of the video says, we should only include one planet which is most important for the survival of the Earth, and we are going to decide which planet is the most important planet for the survival of the Earth. So please tell us which is your favorite planet in the solar system in the question I have asked up above. So let's start excluding those planets which are not necessary for the survival of Earth or necessary for survival of Earth in some ways. So first I am excluding Mercury and Venus as if they are not helping for this fraction of these sunrays as they emerge in one line only in some durations or in some specific occasions, and they are not a common thing to happen, and they are not actually diffracting the sun rays which reach into the earth, and even if they were not there, due to the ozone layer of the earth will survive. And next is Mars, and as I told, Mars would help in keeping the asteroid belt on its orbit. So without Mars, Jupiter can hold that in its orbit, and it won't be necessary that Mars should be there for the survival of Earth. So next is civilizing in the Mars. So we can civilize in our own planet Earth if we keep our surroundings clean and make a life better by keeping environment safe and clean. So instead of destroying our planet and going to another planet and destroying their planet and going to another planet, it is more better to be in our own planet and keeping our planet safe instead of going to another planet. Next is Jupiter and Saturn, and I am going to exclude one among them as we have only two more planets, as we have excluded Uranus and Neptune in the starting of the video itself, and so we are going to take one of the planet as the important planet. So let us take the importance of those planets. And as I have told, those planets help us in keeping the meteors away. Since Saturn is more far away from us and it has lesser gravitational force than the Jupiter, it won't help much in keeping these asteroids away. But Jupiter will have help in keeping these asteroids away, and they have helped in keeping these asteroids away, and they have took many hits from these asteroids. So we can conclude that without Jupiter, the survival of Earth is very hard, and this asteroid belt is controlled by Jupiter. And if Jupiter is not there, then the gravitational force will elapse, and those asteroids will strike our Earth, and Earth will eventually die. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below which part you want next, and see you in the next time. Bye.